Good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. We're back at our old house project in downtown Macon. Got all our tile work finished, which was a huge milestone. I give a big thanks and shout out to Zenith and Adriana Dooley with Dooley Contractors, Eric and all of their guys. We could not have pulled this off without them, so we really appreciate it. This is the master bath area with some 24 by 48 marble, large format tile. It's difficult to set, but it gives a very nice look, minimizes grout lines. We used a leveling system, which gives you a perfect fit every time. This is going to be a general dressing area, laundry area, master closet. This is the master shower area. Have a nice 3 by 5 walk-in shower. Tile all the way to the ceiling. Copper penny tile on the floor. We made a custom recess niche for a larger shampoo and soap bottles. Smaller niches above it. We're going to have a marble curb that goes on top of both the knee wall and this curb to match the wall tile. The 4 by 16 brick pattern for the walls. There's going to be a toilet there with a glass enclosure. Just a really clean, nice room. Come out here to the hallway. Claudio's getting the tile sealed and cleaned here. More subway tile on the walls. Hexagon marble on the floor. Just a simple 3-piece bathroom. Heading downstairs. All these stairs are going to be refinished back to the original hardwoods, or heart pine rather. Same with the floors below. It's all going to happen next week. Customer wanted an accent wall to mirror the old house look, so we used a brick veneer. This is a wall in the kitchen. Just first class work all the way. All this will be LVP. And this is the downstairs guest bath, small bathroom. Very interesting. Our customer's family's from New Orleans. She wanted a shower that mimicked the feel of the French Quarter, and I think she's got it with this. Again, this will also have a glass enclosure. Interesting, and just a nice shower for sure. Natural stone curb, that's what will happen upstairs as well. So please give us a call if you've got older homes that you need detailed renovations, professional flooring work, professional tile work. We've got the crews and experience to make it easy for you every time. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.